Saying the part of this app has been blocked. Error in Windows security and cannot access your application. In this video, I will show you the quickest and safest ways to fix the issue and get your app running again. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Techie Dialogue. So let's go into the video to solve the issue. First, right click on Windows icon, then click on Settings. Then you have to click on Privacy and Security from the left panel. Then you have to click on Windows Security. In Windows Security, there is an option App and Browser Control. Click on it. Then you have to click on Smart App Control Settings. As you can see, Smart App Control is on. If Smart App Control is on, it will find a malicious or untrusted app and block the app to protect your device. To solve our issue, we need to turn off Smart App Control. So click on Off button. Then a confirmation box will appear and you have to click on Yes, I am sure. After turn off Smart App Control, then restart your computer and your problem will be solved. If this guide helped you solve the Windows security error, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with anyone facing the same problem. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next tutorial. Till then, take care and goodbye.